Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Economics. In this video, we'll be studying what a central bank is and what are its functions, which forms the part of the second unit, money and banking of macroeconomics. Central bank. A central bank is the apex institution in the banking structure of a country. इसका मतलब कि central bank is the main bank which performs and controls the other banks. A central bank controls, organizes, regulates, directs, and supervises the activities of commercial banks. The most important function performed by a central bank is to regulate the volume of currency and credit in the country. In short, we can say that central bank is a cord that connects all the commercial banks. Functions of central bank. For smooth running of the economy, a central bank has to perform a number of important functions. Bank of currency issue. The central bank of a country enjoys monopoly in currency note issue. In India, it is the RBI that prints and puts into circulation the currency denominations. It is worth noting that RBI prints only currency notes but except rupee 1 note and coins. Rupee 1 notes and coins are published and printed by the Finance Ministry. Why is it so? Think over it, we'll come back to it later on. It is important that central bank should have the full control over currency issue. There are several reasons behind it. First, it brings uniformity to the currency note issued across the economy and ensures general acceptability of the currency by all. सोचो अगर every bank will start publishing its own currency, it will be very difficult that which currency to be accepted and which not. It is also easier to control the credit when there is a single agency of note issue using various quantitative and qualitative instruments. This also helps in establishing the internal and external value of the home currency with respect to foreign currencies. The second function of central bank is that it acts as an banker, agent and financial advisor to the government. As per this function, the central bank keeps the accounts of the state and the central governments for the purpose of receiving or making payments on their behalf, and also advances short-term loans to the government and also raises loans from the public as per the requirements of different governments. The central bank purchases and sells the bills and currencies on behalf of the government and also manages public debt, which is basically the amount the government of a particular country has borrowed. The central bank also advises the government on economic matters like deficit financing, price stability, management of public debt, foreign currency management, etc. The central bank acts as a guardian for the commercial banks. In this capacity, it helps commercial banks in several ways. Maintenance of cash reserve ratio. Commercial banks are required to keep a part of their total deposits with the central bank in the form of cash. This reserve is known as cash reserve ratio. Presently, the CRR is 4%. The central bank also advances loans to the commercial bank, which are generally in the form of rediscounting of bills of exchange. The rate at which this loan is given is known as the bank rate. Commercial bank also acts as a lender for last resort. This means that if a commercial bank fails to meet the obligations of its depositor, that is, the amount deposited with it, a commercial bank is unable to pay, the central bank comes into its rescue and helps commercial bank in repaying those deposits. Next function of a central bank is that it acts as a custodian of foreign exchange reserves. The primary responsibility of the central bank is to stabilize the external value of the national currency, that is the rupee. Central bank ये देखता है कि रुपी की वैल्यू ना ज़्यादा फॉल करे ना ज़्यादा राइज करे in terms of foreign currencies. Apart from this, it also keeps reserve for gold in its national reserves. The central bank also manages foreign currencies apart from just helping the government in tackling the balance of payment situations. What is a BOP? It will be discussed as a separate unit in economics. Bank of Central Clearance, Settlement and Transfer. It is to be noted that the commercial banks do not settle the payments of their mutual transactions in cash. For example, अगर मैं एक PNB का चेक काट के SBI के अकाउंट में जमा कराता हूँ तो वो कैश में सेटल नहीं होगा. There has to be an intermediary and central bank performs that task. Central bank maintains the accounts of all the banks with it for mutual settlement of transactions. Also, it acts as an agent for international institutions such as International Monetary Fund, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, etc. The last and the most crucial function of a central bank is that it acts as a controller of credit. Credit control is considered as the most crucial and important function of a central bank. Central bank perform this function through qualitative control and quantitative control. Since it is a very important topic, we'll be taking it as a separate topic in the next video. For more videos, please follow